Welcome back to another video. Today we have the best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yeah guys, they got a lot of rentals on this store. That's the, looks like a lift there. And then we got a mixer there. So we got a whole bunch of stuff there. Alright, so the first thing that I saw that dropped is this. This is $2.99 down from $3.29. This is the Ryobi 40 volt 730 CFM. Got the mower here down from $6.49 down to $5.99. That is the cordless high wheel lawnmower with 2 batteries. And that's the same thing. It's from $5.49 to $4.99 with 2 batteries. So pretty nice deals here. They're, as you guys do know, they're putting out their new stuff, and they're basically going down the ladder there. And all right, so that's the way. That's the Whisper series, and that is a kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger. You got $9.98 for this. I don't know why I even put this here. That's the only thing they had that on that section, clearance section. This is another clearance section. This is like a sprayer or a mister, electrostatic fogger. $149. Alright, we got a cultivator here. This is an Echo. It looks like it's gas. So $173, Echo 2 cycle cultivator. And you got this one. This one's $149. It's 40 volts, 4 amp hour, 18-inch mulch side mower. So bare bones basically for a smaller yard. Then we got this generator here. It says 4500 to 3650. Electric start gas champion generator, 629. So you got 4550 starting and 3650 running watts. Then you got this 4000 watt Dewalt, almost about the same price as the other one. I just want to show you guys so you guys would compare. $649. So that's for that Dewalt. You got this light, 800 lumen LED corded handheld lights for you guys that don't like batteries. $24 down from $29. Then you got this 18 gauge brad nailer, Makita, $89. It's a 2-inch 18 gauge brad nailer. That's the tag right there in case you guys want to look it up. And most of the stuff was the stuff that we did see last time. So I'm just doing an update of what's left on the clearance section. So it's a 2-inch brad nailer. And you got this Bluetooth speaker there for $69. So that's a Ryobi 1 Plus. And then you got the jigsaw blades at $12.88. Those are pretty nice deal there for those. Usually they go a little higher. And then I saw this. This one's, I never seen this before. 4 amp hour battery. This is a 12 volts on clearance. Makita 12 volts. I didn't even know they made a 12 volt tools. So you got a Diablo bimetal, 28 piece. Does include a 9-inch wood blade. And then you got some kits there on the top. Looks like you got a circular saw, impact driver, drill driver for $280. And then the other one, it's hard to see. It looks like a drill driver or an impact driver and a reciprocating saw, $269. You got some nailers there, framing nailers, $172, and then some DeWalt's 21-inch or 21-degree framing nailer, $169. So guys, make sure you guys, they were a little higher, so I couldn't get up there because there was something on the way on the bottom there. And then you got that Husky light there for $12. You got these gloves here for goatskin leather gloves, $10.97. And you got a 3-cut resistant goatskin, $19.97. I don't know if these are on the wrong section or not, so I'm just showing you guys the yellow tags for you guys. Look pretty nice. And they still got these deals, guys. Remember, they still got these. Most of the stores that I've been to, they still have them. The nailer and the rotary hammer, those are the best deals. $149 for the battery and the charger, $149 for the screw gun, $149 for the one-handed reciprocating saw. Then you got the jigsaw there, barrel grips or barrel style. Rotary SDS hammer. You got some heavy duty drywall utility blades, $14.97. You got the fastback folding. Yeah, this is really nice. I really like it. It's one of my favorite knives, especially because you know it's really comfortable. It's easy to use, and plus you got the storage there. So it's one of my favorite utility knives. If you guys missed out on that deal, remember guys, stay subscribed, hit the bell icon, because we did end up getting this one for $122. That was just a killer deal on that saw. I did do a review on it, but from $269 down from $122, that is just killer deal. That was one in a lifetime price. Make sure you guys stay subscribed and hit the bell so you guys get notifications of all the deals that we come up with. And big shout out to Deal Team 6. They always find those deals too. They got this Dewalt 60 volt combo kit down from $449 down to $404. So that's a really good deal. And this one's $50 cheaper. It does include the 60 volt blower and the weed whacker there, and I believe a 9 amp hour battery and a charger. So guys, make sure you guys check out your Home Depots, see what they're having these for, because this one's $449 up there, but at the bottom it says $404. Same thing with this one. I think they dropped $50 off the more. Then I saw the Ryobi vacuum here, 4.75 horsepower. I was just looking at it. Looks pretty decent, pretty good. So, and that's the sucking part. It does have a handle on the top. And then yes guys, these are back. It's already hot here. It's a really hot. So these are $24.97. They're $4.97 cheaper than, or actually more expensive than last time. I believe last time they were $19.97 or something like that. So these are $139 down from $149. These are air cannons, 18-inch Ryobi. And if you guys didn't know, they do rent heavy equipment here at the Home Depot. So that was just this is the second store we're visiting. I can't talk today for some reason. Guys, they got the mowing down pollution. So they started in California doing this thing, and you know they're getting rid of all of the gas and the small engines, but they're slowly moving their way over here, so to Arizona. We're right next door, so I'm guessing we're next. So unfortunately, it's moving. They saying they're just starting out with the weed whackers and with professional people that are registered like as a business, lawn care business, and they're just starting with the weed whackers. I'm pretty sure they're gonna, pretty soon they're gonna ban people. According to this, they're gonna be giving you a $50 certificate if you turn in your gas equipment. Obviously, if you want to turn in the ones that don't work, right? But yeah, they're giving you $50 certificate, and then that's where you can go cleanairmakemore.com. But this is for businesses only. So if you are registered in the state of Arizona, you guys probably go there and get your $50. Turn in all your old equipment that does not work. Get your $50 and buy yourself some electric equipment. Alright, so 72-inch, 18 drawer, 1,198. This was really nice. I really like the way that in the top you can lift it or lower it. And this was still with Milwaukee beside it. So really nice too. Wood top. Does have some 2 drawers at the top, 2 big drawers. And then this one, that's the lever right there where you guys can lift it and lower it. Somebody broke it off. Probably so they want to mess with it like I am. But that's the way you lower it and raise it. Then they got this one's $898. Is a 52-inch. Then they got this large angle grinder. It's a 7 to 9 inch angle grinder, $199. They might be lower, so make sure you guys always check out with your people that work there. Alright, so they got this one down to 54, down for 59. This one's the kit. It does come with battery and charger. And they had this one speaker, Bluetooth kit, down to 69 bucks. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Yes, guys, the deals are coming. They should be coming at the end of this month or at the beginning of the next month. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't miss any of those deals by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.